Easter egg hunt with Isaiah. Bunny cookie decoration. Sino ready? Hello guys, so habang naghihintay kami for the Easter egg hunt, nag-decorate muna ng bunny cookie si Isaiah. So merong sprinkles, merong iba-ibang design ng cookies, pero yung napili namin is a bunny shaped cookie. And then after na-enjoy ni Isaiah yung cookie, so yung bonding lang sila with daddy while I lined up for balloon twister or balloon twisting. Ay, hindi ako sure. Basta balloon. Tapos meron doon very talented lady na gumawa ng white sword balloon for Isaiah. Ayun, na-enjoy naman siya kaya nagbigay siya ng $1 tip. And ito na yung inaantay namin. Ready for Easter egg hunt with Isaiah. Oh, bago lahat pala, nag-pray muna si Father Julius to make sure na ma-bless yung day and
okay, let's go ahead and go 4 and 6 year
Oo, nag-pray muna kasi si Father Julius para i-bless and make sure everyone is safe. Ayun, nag-start na kaming mag-egg hunt. Oo, kasi before kami nag-Easter egg hunt, nag-misa muna si Father Julius. Mamaya makikita niyo si Father Julius sa while nag-Easter egg hunt si Isaiah kasi nandun siya to support everyone. Yan o, ang daming mga tao. Tapos naubos agad yung mga yung mga Easter eggs. Kaya kung ano na lang yung natira, yun na lang ang nilalagay namin sa red bag. So, madaming mga bata na may dala-dalang baskets or bags and very happy sila to pick up those Easter eggs. Ilan kasi yung limit lang? 25? Right? Oo, 25 eggs lang para merong ma-share sa mga ibang bata na wala pang na kuhang mga Easter eggs.
There you go. Okay, that's all. 25 eggs.
Count them, Isaiah. You need to save some for the other kids. Oh, there. Okay, keep walking. Isaiah, right there. There's more. Right there. Go run. Run. Go. Run. Run. Go.
Pero ito sa'yo, kulang pa yung egg mo. 10 pa lang.
Oh. Oh, sige. Go. Grab everything.
Stop doing egg!
Isaac, turn around. There's more.
Kids, parents, if you guys can help bring back some of those eggshells, just our really big
So, ayan, wala na masyado. Siyempre naman, mag-hello ako. Si Mami, kasi wala sa video dahil ako yung nagve-video kay Daddy and Isaiah. So, ayun. Yung nakatalikod yan si Father Julius, guys. Ayun, hi Father Julius. Siya yung nagmisa kanina, tapos siya yung nag-pray before nag-start ang egg hunt. Ayan, wala na kaming makita mga Easter eggs. Kaya yun, happy naman si Pogi. Ayan o, madami naman siyang nakuha.
Show your Easter eggs. Let me see.
Right? O, mamaya ipapakita namin kung ano yung mga laman ng mga Easter eggs.
You're happy? Yay!
So, ayun guys, after ng Easter egg hunt, gutom na gutom kami. Kaya, naghanap muna kami ng kainan. I think, happy naman si Isaiah kasi binuksan niya agad yung mga eggs. Ayan, iba-iba yung laman. May mga candies, may mga rings, surprises, ganon. So, meron kaming nakuha 2 ring. Binigay niya kay Mommy and Daddy. Nandun sa car na iwan. And then, after nun, hindi pa naman after nun dyan. Pero, nag-lunch lang kami ng mabilis. And then, wala na. That's it for today's video. And syempre, wait nyo lang yung last namin na picture kasi kaming tatlo, sobrang happy to spend the day, magbanding lang, kumain, ganun. Tapos, diretso na kaming umuwi. So, yun guys. Thanks a lot for watching.